tornado warning for northeastern Union County is canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Mississippi County in eastern Arkansas, southern Pemiscot County, Missouri, southeastern Dunklin County, Missouri, Dyer County in West Tennessee, southwestern Obion County in West Tennessee, Lake County in West Tennessee, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Blytheville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Blytheville, West Hermondale, Tiptonville, Cat Corner, Calumet, Dearman, New Bern, New Survey, Denton, Tyler, Covington, Locust Grove, Jenkinsville, Caruthersville, Maxey, Elbridge, Temples Corner, Jacksonville, Broadmoor, Sanford, and Dyersburg. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties: Dunklin, Missouri, and Obion, Tennessee. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fulton County, Kentucky, southeastern Hickman County, Kentucky, southern Graves County, Kentucky, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Martin, moving north at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fulton, Linville, Dukedom, Sedalia, Mayfield, Water Valley, and Wingo. This includes Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 1 and 24. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Fulton, Graves, and Hickman. Until 8:30 p.m. for northern and Weakley and eastern Obion counties. At 7:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Martin, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for White County in southeastern Illinois, southeastern Williamson County, Illinois, Saline County, Illinois, southeastern Hamilton County in south-central Illinois, Gallatin County, Illinois, northwestern Posey County in severe thunderstorm warning for. At 7:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 6 miles north of Enfield to 6 miles north of Galatians near Lake of Egypt area, moving east at 40 miles.
Dressing and Union City. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Obion and Weakley. The National Weather issued
Outbuildings. Locations impacted include Enfield, Muddy, El Dorado, Raleigh, Spring Jordan, Ridgeway, Phillipstown, Porceville, Carmine, Stone Ford, Omaha, Carrier Mills, Creel Springs, New Haven, Norris City, Junction, Harrisburg, Equality, Monty, and New Harmony. This includes Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 3 and 13. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Gallatin, Hamilton, Saline, White and Williamson, and Posey, Indiana. 864 in Indiana between mile markers 3 and 13. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm. A tornado warning for south until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties: Illinois, Gallatin, Hamilton, Saline, White and Williamson, and Posey, Indiana.